Hello and welcome back. My name is Ravi. There is a lot of confusion among IT professionals about Google Cloud free trial and free tier. In this video, we'll talk about it. Without further ado, let's get started. If you are new to Google Cloud and want to explore Google Cloud products and services, so you can create Google Cloud free trial account where Google Cloud provides $300 credits for 90 days. With these credits, you can get your hands dirty with Google Cloud products and services. Whereas free tier includes some selective Google Cloud products like Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, BigQuery, etc. free of charge within the specified monthly usage limits. When you stay within the free tier limits, these resources are not charged against your free trial credits or to your cloud billing account's payment method after your trial ends. Broadly, we can see all the products and services in this page where Google specified the name of the services and which resource you can utilize for how long and what is the limit. Here you can see for Compute Engine you can provision one E2 micro compute instance per month and you will not be charged. You can store your objects up to 5 GB in the standard storage, and this also comes under free tier. You can run 1 TB queries per month in BigQuery, 2 million requests per month in Cloud Run. And if you would scroll down, you can see all these services and you can go through all the services and their free tier limits. If you still have any doubts, please drop a comment. To like and subscribe for more cloud tips.